Details, details, details. All of the little things matter to us at Mercer Culinary because they matter to you. Every day you rely on essential kitchen tools and we make sure efficiency and durability is built into every single product. Pizza cutters and rocker were designed with the same attention to detail as our fine cutlery. Y-peelers quickly and efficiently peel fruits or vegetables. The extremely sharp cutting edges on our graters result in superior output. Our Hell's Tool silicone blade scraper and spoon scraper are as durable as the number of applications they can be used for. And our Hell's Tool spoons and spatulas are formulated to stand up to high heat applications. Spoon pencils are a true multi-use utensil which can help accomplish so many different cooking tasks. Mercer has the size and shape of spatulas for any use, and our silicone baking mats are made from food-grade silicone over reinforced fiberglass to withstand temperatures up to 480 degrees. Mercer has all the tools you need to make your job more enjoyable, easier, and more efficient.